To place Etoro markets, start by opening an account and depositing funds. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Etoro dashboard and select the market you want to trade, such as currencies, commodities, or stocks. Use the search bar to find the specific asset you are interested in, and click on it to open the trading window. In the trading window, you will see the current price of the asset, as well as buttons to buy or sell. To place a trade, decide whether you want to go long or short. Going long means you think the price will rise, while going short means you think the price will fall. Enter the amount you want to invest, and set your stop loss and take profit levels. The stop loss is the price at which your trade will be automatically closed if it moves against you, while the take profit is the price at which your trade will be closed if it moves in your favor. You can also set a leverage level, which allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital. Review your trade details carefully before confirming, and make sure you understand the risks involved. Once you have confirmed your trade, it will be executed and you can monitor its progress in the portfolio section of your account. It is essential to have a solid understanding of the markets and trading strategies before placing trades. Etoro also offers a range of educational resources and tools to help you improve your trading skills. By following these steps and staying informed, you can effectively place Etoro markets and make the most of your trading experience. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means.